Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a delicious cauliflower recipe that is super easy and quick to make. You can serve it as a side dish with your main meal. Pan out, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, and by hot I do not mean smoking hot, add half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. You should allow the seeds to splutter. Only then they will release their flavor. Then add the cauliflower florets along with a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Please note that I have cut the cauliflower into small florets. Stir on medium-high heat for a minute and then add a teaspoon of salt. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes and then cover on medium-low heat. From time to time, uncover and give a stir. My friends, the size of the pan is very important here. If you take a smaller pan, then the cauliflower will be steaming in their own juices instead of getting fried. Taking a larger pan will get rid of the moisture faster, which prevents the cauliflower from getting soggy. When you see your cauliflower starting to get tender, add green chillies and partially cover the pan and cook it on medium heat. The purpose of partially covering the pan here is to prevent the cauliflower from getting soggy. When the cauliflower is almost done, I added about 1/3 of a cup of frozen green peas. Again, partially cover it on medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, increase the heat of your stove to medium-high to get a browning on the surface of the cauliflower florets. See how they are getting that beautiful brown color? At this point, I love adding just half a teaspoon of my homemade bhaja masala. I have given the link to the bhaja masala video in the description box, so please check that out. If you do not want to add bhaja masala, then it's perfectly okay. You can also add a pinch of curry powder or just leave it out, it will still be delicious. Along with that, I added a few drops of lemon juice and lots of coriander leaves. Give a brief stir, being very careful not to break the cauliflower florets. And there you have it, something so easy and quick to make, yet so very delicious. You can have it with rice or maybe wrap it in a tortilla or put it in between 2 breads and take it in your lunch boxes. And my friends, it stores very well in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days and everyone loves having it. Please click the like button and send me your feedback after trying this recipe. Bye bye.